Here's a demo of my e-commerce backend application. My database name and my MySQL username and my MySQL password are all located in the environment variable file here. I won't show it right now. But when I run the seeding script, npm run seed, we see that the database is synced and various seeding data is input into the database. I'll go ahead and clear the terminal. To run the application, I'll run npm start. And we see that some SQL queries are run and that the database, that the server is listening to port 3001. Now we'll go over to Insomnia to run our test cases. For categories, we'll use the request API categories, and it's a get method. So when we get that information, we see that some queries are run in MySQL, and then we'll return the categories by category name. So we see that category name shirts has this product, category name shorts has this product. If I want to find one specific category, we can say, let's use the API route API categories to find a category by ID. We get that category and its shorts and its specified products or its associated products. If we want to create a category, we enter this information in the JSON of a post method. Just by entering API categories and using a post method. So the category name is going to be let's say electronics. Now we added this category into the database. Let's double check that it exists at ID number 6. So let's look at the categories one more time by getting all categories. So if I scroll down, we see that electronics is in the last position of the response at ID number 6. If I want to update category number 6 to category name tech, I can use this put route and I'll send that request. And it says that I have one updated element in the database, and its category name is tech. So if I go back to if I go back to the request to get all of the categories, I send that request again, and I see that the ID of 6 now has a category of tech. If I want to delete that category had ID of number 6, so I use the route API categories 6 as a delete method, and we see that one piece of data was changed. If I go back to the read all categories and I refresh it, or I send the request again, I see that there is no category with name tech. Now for products, if we use the route to get all products and we hit send, we see that all the products are listed here with their tag information and their category. So plain t-shirt has price, stock, and category. T-shirts tags are white, gold, and pop culture. For running sneakers, we can see price and stock also, and also a different category and different tags. So if I want to search the products by ID, I can simply enter API products, let's say 2, and send the request. Now I have the product with ID 2, and that's the running sneakers product and its various category and tag information. To test the create product route, I use the post method and enter API products. In the JSON body of the request, I enter the product's name, its price, its stock, any tag IDs that are there, and a category ID. So when I send that information, we see that this information was updated, but let's check if basketball shoes is in the products list. So if we request to get all of the products, we see that at the bottom we have basketball shoes with price 500, stock 20, all the information that we entered in our post method, our post request. If we go to our update product route, it's a put request, and let's say we want to update the item that we just created, which has an ID of 9. So I go to the update product route, and then I enter 9, and say instead of basketball shoes, I want to create a product name called basketball sneakers, a different price, a different stock, and different tags. We can see that that information was updated. If we go back to all of our products and submit that request again, we see that our basketball sneakers is product number 9. The price and stock are updated, and we have new product tags associated with this, or new tags associated with this product. If I go to delete and I want to delete product number 9, I send that request. We have one updated record. And so if I go back and review all of the products in my list, I see that that last product with ID number 9 doesn't exist anymore. For our tags section, we can read all tags using the get route API tags, and we can see all of the tags with their associated products. If I want to view one tag in particular, I can go to, say, tag number 4, and we're given the tag back with ID number 4. It's red, and this is the singular product that has that tag. If I want to create a new tag, say tag name silver, if I want to create a new tag, I use the post route, post method with API tags as the route, and the tag name will be silver. We can see that there was a tag added to the list. It will have ID number 9. If I review all tags, we can see that it was included at the bottom of the tags list. If we want to update that tag, say we change the name from silver to bronze, I just use the put method with API tags 9 as the route. I enter, and then that product should change from tag name silver to tag name bronze. If I want to delete that tag, I simply use the delete route, or the delete method with API tags 9. We see that one item in our database was updated. If I go to all tags again, I see that the tag with ID 9 is no longer in the database. So there you have it, a quick walkthrough of the e-commerce backend. Thanks for watching.